In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blog page on Wix. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step. Whether you're looking to clean up your website or simply no longer need the blog feature, this tutorial will help you do just that. First, you'll need to open the Wix editor. Begin by navigating to www.wix.com and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, find and open the website you want to edit. This will bring you into the Wix editor where all the customization magic happens. Next, we'll move on to accessing the site pages. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel with various options. Look for the button labeled Menus and Pages and click on it. This is where you'll find a list of all the pages currently on your website. As you scroll through the list, keep an eye out for your blog page, which might be named Blog Post or All Posts, depending on how you initially set it up. Now that you've located your blog page, we'll proceed to the deletion step. Next to the blog page's name, click on the small icon with 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Delete. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your choice to delete the page. Go ahead and confirm it if you're sure you want to proceed. Remember, this action is permanent, so ensure that deleting the blog page aligns with your plan for the website. If you only wanted to remove the blog page, you're all set. However, if you're looking to completely get rid of the blogging feature from your Wix site, there's an additional step you might consider. For those wanting to remove blogging thoroughly, you can do so by removing the blog app from your website. To remove the app, head over to the option labeled Add Apps on the left-hand menu, and from the drop-down, select Manage Apps. This is where you can see all the apps you currently have installed on your site. Locate the Wixblog app. Once you've found it, click on More Actions and then select Remove App. This action will ensure that the blog feature is entirely removed from your site. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to delete a blog page on Wix and an optional extra step for those wanting to remove the blog functionality altogether. Whether you're upgrading the focus of your site or just tidying up, these steps should help you manage your site's content effectively. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more Wix tips and tricks.